where farmers have called off their protest today for the next course of action to be decided very, very soon. The police used tear gas to disperse the protesting farmers at the Shambu border between Haryana and Punjab as they resumed their march to Delhi. A group of 101 farmers started marching towards Delhi, many of them equipped with masks, goggles and other protective gear. The protest is backed by the farmer body Samyukt Kisan Morcha and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha. The police says that they have doubts over the identity of some of the protesters and they have, in fact, they will be allowed to proceed only after verification.
यहाँ किस तरह की परिस्थिति हमारी मरीजों की है और देखा मौसम भी आज खराब हुआ है, तो सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए कल दोनों फोरम फैसला करके आगे कब जता जाएगा, क्या होगा, कैसा होगा, ये उसके बाद कल आपको शाम को हम जरूर पीसी करेंगे और उसके बीच आगे का निर्णय बता देंगे।
प्रजातंत्र है, प्रजातंत्र में अपनी बात कहने का सबको अधिकार है। किसी को इस तरह रोकना जो है वो अप्रजातांत्रिक है। हाँ, कोई कानून हाथ में लेते हो, पहले इन्होंने कहा कि भाई ट्रैक्टर पे मत जाओ, किसानों ने कहा ठीक ट्रैक्टर पे जाएंगे, हम पैदल जाएंगे। तो अपनी बात कहने का जो है उनसे बात करके सरकार को तुरंत समाधान करना चाहिए उनका। और हरियाणा सरकार का तो रवैया ऐसा ही है, जब किसान को क्या नाम बिजाई में खाद की जरूरत होती है तो डीएपी नहीं होता, जब सिंचाई करनी पड़ती है, जब यूरिया नहीं होता, जब फसल तैयार हो जाती है तो उसको बाजार में एमएसपी नहीं मिलती। तो ये है, किसान की समस्याएं हैं।
देखिए, दिल्ली मार्च शुरू किया है वो गलत मार्च किया है। राज्य मंत्री जी ने कहा है कि मार्च करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, 5 गो प्रतिनिधि आवे, भारत सरकार खुला है, बात करने को तैयार है, उनकी हर समस्याओं को दूर करने को तैयार है। वैसी परिस्थिति में लोग मार्च का एक ढोंग रच रहे हैं, ये पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं, ये पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करना चाहिए।
Right now we're at the Shambu border where the farmers had resumed their protest today. We'd like to show you some visuals from here first. It can clearly be seen that the security forces are still deployed here. 7 layers of barricading were put in place to stop the farmers from marching towards Delhi. Now this is a construction that the Haryana police had in fact put in place to stop the farmers from marching forward. On December 6th, the farmers had once again started their Delhi Chalo march and had said that they will be marching towards Delhi and in fact start protesting there for the 12 key demands that they were asking from the government since the past 5 years. The farmers had started camping at the Shambu border since February 13th only, and on December 6th they said that they will in fact take this whole protest towards Delhi so that the government could come to a conclusion regarding their demands that they had in fact put in place. Now today the farmers started the protest around 12 noon after protesting for 3 to 4 hours, and in fact several rounds of tear gas were shelled at the farmers. According to KMM leader Sarwan Singh Pandher, 7 to 8 farmers have been injured. In fact, one farmer had to be taken to PGI Chandigarh also. The farmers had said that now they have called off this whole protest and they will in fact be holding a meeting tomorrow from both the firms SKM and KMM, and during the evening after the whole meeting is done, they will in fact decide what course this protest will take for the future, because what we are seeing is that on 2 days since the protest has happened, the farmers are leading a jatha of 101 farmers to march towards Delhi. Also, what we are seeing is that on both the days, the police fired several rounds of tear shells on the farmers. Today, in fact, the police sprinkled flowers at the farmers, and in fact, after sprinkling the flowers, they started shelling tear gas on the farmers to disperse the crowd and stop them from moving forwards towards the national capital. Also, a fresh petition has been filed in the Supreme Court that this whole highway, this whole Shambu border should be opened for public, because this is against the fundamental rights of the citizens. This highway has been blocked since so long, since the first time the farmers marched here to protest and in fact take this whole march towards Delhi. Now this in fact the Supreme Court is going to be hearing this petition on Monday, but in the petition it has been written that the central government, the Punjab and Haryana government should come to a conclusion. They should in fact remove the farmers that have been camping here since several months now, and a conclusion should be reached between the farmers and the in fact the government so that their demands can be met and this protest can come to an end.